Welcome to Redline Review. Overview of the concept for the 2026 Bugatti Monster Truck Motorhome design and exterior. You can be sure that the sculpture will be a masterpiece. The 2026 Bugatti Monster Truck Motorhome combines tough, overlanding capability with Bugatti's distinctive design philosophy. Imagine a dramatic horseshoe grille and flowing aerodynamic lines. Massive off-road tires and more than 500 millimeters of ground clearance allow you to overcome any terrain. Functional rock sliders and a front winch panel are harmoniously merged with carbon titanium composite body panels that showcase Bugatti's signature curves. A hybrid powertrain consisting of twin-turbo V8 plus electric motors, a powerful monster truck suspension, and an LED-lit roof rack that holds an off-road drone that can be deployed. Powertrain and performance. This creature is built for both endurance and speed. System output in total, 1,200 horsepower. Despite its enormous size, it takes about 4.5 seconds to go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour. Hybrid range, more than 800 kilometers when using fuel and a battery, and up to 150 kilometers when using only electricity. The highway, rock crawl, sand, and camper adaptive terrain modes adjust suspension, traction, and region braking. Living areas and interior. Inside, it reinvents mobile luxury. Quilted leather seats, faceted carbon fiber controls, and a full-width OLED display displaying navigation, cameras, and vehicle data are all features of the opulent cockpit. The living space consists of sofas with climate control that can be folded into a king-size bed, a small galley with a refrigerator pantry, robotic ingredient dispenser, and induction cooktop. Lightweight titanium fixtures, digital controls, and a rainfall shower create a spa-like atmosphere in this bathroom. Electrochromic glass, privacy screening, and a panoramic top. Intelligent technology and off-grid features. Semi-automated off-road navigation and fully autonomous Level 4 highway cruising. A 150 kilowatt-hour battery bank is fed by rooftop solar panels and an integrated solar skin, which powers EV charging and appliances. A dust-proof toolkit and an air compressor are on board, and the rooftop camp deck can be expanded with a deployable awning. Trip information, drone feeds from outside, and campsite mapping are all displayed on an augmented reality (AR) windshield. Price estimate and market position. Estimated prices for this no-expense spared idea would range from $2.5 million to $3 million USD, positioning it as a custom flagship for extremely wealthy outdoor lovers or collectors looking for extreme comfort. Concluding remarks. The 2026 Bugatti Monster Truck Motorhome is a bold combination of luxurious mobile living, tough monster truck capabilities, and hypercar performance. It's a rolling manifesto for the next wave of luxury adventure, not just a motorhome.